Hi everyone, my name is Adrián Salvador, and tonight I'm going to talk about iconic species in natural products. The discussion video of this model talks about trying to save some species and their habitats. They mention some economic facts that are involved and how do that affect. They talk about how much importance have iconic species in their respective habitats, and they say that the change must happen around all the world and not just by a few people. Referring to conservation efforts, iconic species are very useful when you want to persuade people for protecting an area, because when they're trying to make a campaign effective, there should be known that the things enter people through their eyes. Therefore, using an iconic species could help a lot so that a group of people raises awareness about the situation. In my country, there are some species like Indian condor, which is the official animal of Ecuador, frigates birds, and we're lucky to have Galapagos Islands in our geography. So here there are lots of iconic species like Galapagos tortoises and Galapagos sea lions. Now I'm going to talk about a particular iconic species and protection that generates in an ecosystem, that level protection. Based in my native country, I could talk about Galapagos giant tortoises. These species are the reason why all the people that lives there or goes there for a vacation respects the entire ecosystem. 61 years ago, these islands became the first protected area in Ecuador. That's amazing. This happened because we were trying to protect these tortoises. The Galapagos Islands are protected by a legal system based on the political constitution of Ecuador, with more than 10 legal bodies in force, whose purpose is to take care of the biodiversity of this archipelago. Why is more influential in China to have a local character advertising to stop shark finning rather than a Western character? There may be many factors involved, such as a nationalistic sense, since people in China are very loyal to their culture. On the other hand, we have that Jackie Chan and Yao Ming are world famous people. Jackie Chan is a Hollywood actor and Yao Ming is known by his large career in the NBA. So if they advocate that sharks should be taken care of, many people will join that movement. Now I'm going to talk about the Convention on Biological Diversity. This is the international legal instrument for the conservation of biological diversity, the sustainable use of its components, and the fair and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of the utilization of genetic resources. That has been ratified by 196 nations. This protects biodiversity at all levels, ecosystems, species, and genetic resources. It also covers biotechnology, including through the Cartagena Protocol on biosafety. In fact, it covers all possible domains that are directly or indirectly related to biodiversity and its role in development. This convention is important because a lot of these ecosystems are key to let culture keep developing in some parts of the world. And as I said before, the convention has 196 parts and 195 states and the European Union. Thank you, that's all for today.